Hi, welcome to today's live attorney chat. I'm Attorney Desiree with Immigration for Couples. If you are new to our firm, we regularly do these live attorney chats to discuss things that are coming up in the immigration world, questions that we are hearing, and also just relevant topics that are coming up also. So if you are new and you'd like our page, definitely feel free to like or comment, share it with others who you think might be interested. Also, if you are watching live, certainly you can comment while we are on here live. And if I see it and am able to address it briefly, I certainly will do that. If not, we'll come back on and do another live program just like this to address that as well. So today, I would like to discuss Fiance visa or the K visa and evidence that's required. I've had lots of questions regarding specific evidence for a K-1 or more regularly called the Fiance visa. And honestly, we look at all of the evidence that might be had for a couple, and that really is tailored to that specific couple. There is nothing that is a definitive, you have to have this, such as receipts, engagement photos, and engagement ceremony, engagement rings, even. With many couples that don't have any of those things. And so we really tailor the evidence that we supply to that couple themselves and what they maybe do have to show the bona fide of that relationship. And that's really what you're going for there. So sometimes that includes visits. They will visit other countries together, meet up in other countries and vacation, celebrate birthdays, celebrate holidays, see family. And so sometimes that does involve family dinners or Airbnb stays or hotel stays. And we certainly will use all of those things to show that time frame that they visited, including passport stamps. But again, none of those are necessarily required for that application. So we really look at the situation for that couple and then fashion or tailor the evidence that we supply to that couple themselves, what they have done, what kind of evidence that they do have that we can then supply to try to eliminate any questions as to the authenticity of their relationship. So I hope this has been helpful. Certainly, there are many other resources and videos that we have done regarding fiance visas. We do a lot of them here at Immigration for Couples. So if that is a topic that is of interest to you, definitely go to www.immigrationforcouples.com and click on that resources tab, and you will see a whole host of types of videos on certain topics. And if you click on the fiance visa, for instance, there will be a list of topics, of videos available to you to kind of get a whole picture of what that application and that process in and of itself looks like. We will definitely come back and see you next week, next Thursday, for another live attorney chat. If you're watching this on replay, certainly comment #replay. And if you have questions, we do come back and check these and then fashion other videos based on those questions. So I hope this has been helpful, and we will see you next week.